1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video today we will talk about the Hollywood movie Birds of Paradise. Dear viewers, Birds of Paradise is a 2021 American drama film written and directed by the Sarah Adina Smith based upon the 2019 novel Bright Burning Star by A.K. Small. It starred the Christine Forsted and Diana Silvers, Caroline Goodell and the Eva Lombe and the Jacqueline Bistis. It was released on 24 September 2021 by Amazon Studio. Kate Sanders is a newly arrived student at a prestigious ballet academy in Paris. The students at the school are all competing for the prize, a contract with a ballet company which will be awarded to the best male and female dancer. On her first day, she makes a comment about the early renowned former student who committed suicide by the jumping off a bridge. This causes Oli's sister and the Marine Durant to attack her. The altercation leaves the Marine disheveled, resulting in criticism from the Academy's exciting headmistress, Madame Bernal. That night, the kid finds that she has been assigned to live in the same room as Marine. Marine suggests that the two go to the jungle, a botanical and themed dance club where they are to drug. The Marine challenges Kate to a dance contest where the first one to stop dancing will be first to drop out. After an extended time of dancing, Kate suggests to the exhausted Marine that they both stop at the same time so that neither has to drop out. When the kid abides by her the promise to stop dancing, she earns the Marine respect and the friendship. In February 2020, it was announced that the Sarah Adina Smith would write and direct Birds of Paradise, a drama film based upon the novel Bright Burning Star by A.K. Small. Christine Forsett, Diana Silvers, and the Jacqueline Bisset would star, and Amazon Studios would distribute. Principal photography began at the same month in Budapest. It was released on 24 September 2021. The review aggregator website Rotten Tomatoes served 27 critics, and the categorizing the review as positive or negative assessed 16 as positive and 11 as negative for 59% rating. Among the reviews, it determined an average rating of 6.30 out of 10. That's all from today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked, then hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell for more recent updates. Until the next video, goodbye.